Hi guys, and welcome back to Taste and Bloom. It's a pleasure to be bringing you today's recipe. We are having yam pottage. Here in Ghana, we also call it Mpotompoto. Our Nigerian siblings also call it yam porridge. Let's get cooking. For our ingredients, we are going to need some chopped up yam, blended onion, garlic and ginger, some palm oil, salt to taste, mixed legume powder, some powdered fish, green bell pepper, Scotch bonnet, whole onion, some carrots, fresh tomatoes, and canned mackerel in tomato sauce. So I started by heating up some water on fire. Then I went ahead to add in my pieces of yam. So I'm going to allow this to boil till the yam is soft. Usually I cook this for about 20 minutes. Then when it's boiling, I go ahead to add in my vegetables except the green bell pepper. I'll let this cook for about 5 minutes, take them out, add my green bell pepper and blend, and then put it back into my saucepan with my yam. So I'll give this a good stir and then go ahead and add in my blended onion, garlic and ginger. Then also I'll add in my legume mix powder and powdered pepper with some salt to taste and stir this in properly till everything is mixed up well. So if you're new here, thank you for coming by. Please do all to subscribe. I guarantee you will not regret it. And also if you're a returning subscriber, I am so grateful for the support. Now I'll go ahead and add in my mackerel and stir that also in. And then finally I'll be topping it up with my palm oil. And then allow it to simmer for about 5 more minutes and then take it off the fire. So my Mpotompoto is a bit loose because my boys are not lovers of yam. So to make them eat this, I have to, for a lack of a better word, let most of the yam dissolve before serving it to them. But feel free to make this chunkier. But also bear in mind that once this cools down, it becomes a little thick. So you might want to take that into consideration. As always, it's been a pleasure coming your way. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and share, and let's keep this family growing. And as always, keep blooming.